I'm going to hit the hand planer with the hammer for 曲げるってなんていうの bend them, only this part. So there are several ways to use the basic toko. We call this one toko. So someone use anvil. Someone use metal. It looks like a rail train cutting. Yeah.
Railroad tie.
Someone might use the wood, like a hard wood, like an oak block. Or someone might use what do you call namari in English?
Lead.
Yeah. By the way, I used a lead truck. Yeah. Then when you hit the kanna, don't hit the top part. So the hit the border between here. Yeah? Like this. And when you hit the kanna, please listen carefully the sound. Yeah. If you do the miss hitting, sounds like how do I explain it?
Yeah. High sound.
Like you might listen the two attack. Like kakan. But if you got a great shot, yeah, sounds like this.
Nice low.
Yeah, so you can control with your hand, so make him the angle. Yeah, also you can try to use the other side like this. Yeah. Then sliding your kanna. Also, don't hit.
It's nice to use this side with a little bit of a round, because that way you can get it aligned with the round back of the blade over here, because you want it to be touching every time underneath, right where you hit it from the top, so that you get a nice deep sound and you get good connection and it doesn't vibrate.
Sound. And don't wait without checking this part, because before you hit, because you checked, so that way you could see the which part is touching or not. Then especially not touching part you have to hit. So yeah. So with checking, so it's also convenient to use the pencil, so you can copy like this. So there is not, there is, yeah, something like this. Yeah.
Then you know where to hit. Okay, let's get to it. It's a big hammer.